Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine Katrina, and today I am doing a quick get ready with me. I am in Dallas for the weekend and wanted to film before we head out for some fun stuff to do tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello you guys. So first things first, I got the iPhone 13. Can we get into this camera quality? Like, let's just all have a moment and talk about it. Like, it's so great. So first of all, forgive me for the background. I'm filming this while I'm in Dallas, so I'm in my hotel room. And I'm trying to get like a cute setup, but this has the best lighting. So apologies for like all that background mess over there. So let's dive in. Happy Friday at the time of me filming this. I am wanting to just do a quick get ready with me because me and two of my friends are in town for the weekend and we're going to the state fair today. So I thought, let me just get cute and get ready with you guys before we head out and have some fun. So first things first, let's go ahead and prime. So this is the YC, I don't know if you can see it, the YC collection. Oh, look at that, look at that, wait. It's so nice, okay. I just wanted to try it. So this is the YC collection primer. You guys know this is a staple over here. Before I get new primers, I want to finish this and I'm starting to run low. So we are nearing the end of this. But this primer is incredibly good for those with dry skin, which is what I have. All right, let's dive in. So we're gonna do brows first. And first things first, we're gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Brow Freeze, if you can see that. Quality's A1 right now. Brow Freeze first, before going in with the brow pencil. So again, you wanna take a little bit, and we're just gonna brush these out. Okay, and I'm gonna actually put the camera a little closer so I can kind of get a good shot of this. So you guys can see, oh God, the quality, y'all, the quality. It's so good. All right, so brow freeze is on. I'm gonna do a couple of things. I'm gonna go in with this is the Precisely Brow by Benefit brow pencil. I'm gonna go in with that one for the inner part of my brows, and then I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer to do the back part of my brows. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm just gonna rebrush it, and then I'm gonna take the pencil, and this is gonna be able to fill in these light brow strokes. That's all we're gonna do with this pencil. And then we're gonna fill in the remaining part with this one. And again, I'm just gonna clean up here. Sorry, the focus, there it is. That's a nice looking brow. Okay, same thing on this side. I'm just gonna, okay. So we're just gonna clean up here and here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a concealer brush here, and then this is the concealer I'm gonna use is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Deep. And then this one we're gonna use the, now, while we're in Dallas, okay, so the reason why we're in Dallas is we're here for the Maverick City concert. If you guys are familiar with them, they're a Christian group or artist, or, you know, yeah, Christian group. And they have a concert here. So myself, Jasmine, and her husband are in town to go to the concert. And we came in early to shoot content and kind of explore Dallas a little bit. and it worked out because it's incredibly really good weather, which is always nice. And yeah, it looks good. Okay, so for the under eye, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in dark 50, is it dark? Yeah, dark 52. Deep dark 52, excuse me. And same thing here. Just gonna clean up under there. Okay, looks good, looks good. So I packed 2 foundations with me, my Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is really good. I think I want to save that for tomorrow for when we shoot content. So for today, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is in the shade Mocha. This is a favorite of mine, especially because it's super affordable. So okay, that's nothing to do with me. Okay. Like, we see how good that looks, right? Okay, cool. All right. Okay. So for the under eye, we're gonna go in with, again, the ColourPop concealer. I'm just gonna take a little bit there. That's it. Now I was able to wet my sponges earlier, so we're gonna take that. Okay, cool. Concealer is on. Let's go in with my bronzer. We're gonna do a little bit of bronzing tonight. So for bronzer, should I do my eyes first? Actually, let me set my face. Set bronzer, and then we roll. Okay, so for setting powder, I'm gonna use my LYS Beauty. This is in her deep dark setting powder in Loyalty. So again, this is what it looks like if you are, you know, getting used to that. And we're just gonna do a little bit here, and under the eye, above the lip, and a little bit along the nose, definitely around the forehead because that's where I tend to sweat the most. First is my forehead. So that looks really good. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro. This is in the foundation stick in F18. And this is what we're gonna use to lightly contour our nose. And I'm just gonna start right just like that. You can kind of tell. So let me get a little closer. And then with the bottom of my sponge, I'm gonna go in with the same shade F18, but in her Conceal and Define foundation, which looks like this. And we're gonna do 1, 2 right there, and 1, 2. Yeah, I want a very light contour tonight. So taking the bottom of the sponge, we're just gonna go up, go kind of across the hairline, all the way to the top, and down. And same thing here. Okay, love that. For blush, I think we're gonna go with some browns. So taking my blush brush, I guess we're doing eyes last because I just kept going with my face routine. Oh, okay, we're gonna do a nice little blend. So I'm gonna go with the Juvia's Place Sand palette, you already know. I'm gonna go in with the shade Neo, which is that nice brown shade. And then I'm gonna top it off with an orange. So I'm just gonna pack it just like that. And then taking the Snackaroons and Beauty Bakery, this is what the shade it looks like. Sorry, I got my makeup all over it. This is what the shade looks like. So you can get a nice little look at that. Soft. And we're just gonna go. And then taking the other side of this, we're gonna just kind of fan it out. All right, I think I'm ready for the eyes. Okay, so I only brought one palette with me, which is the Desert Boutique palette. You guys have seen this before, but these are all the shades. All these nice looking shades. We're gonna start with that. So for the all over shader, we're gonna go in with a green actually. This is it's called Suck One Bag. So nice little forest green. And we're gonna just go, well, I guess it's not really forest. Okay, so this is definitely like a earthy tone green. What we're gonna do is take a brush kind of like this, and we're gonna go over it with a neutral brown. So this is in the shade of Rock On, and we're gonna go right above that and blend that in. And we're just gonna mute that down a little bit. Okay, I'm going in with a flat brush. Okay, this is a little more precise so you can kind of see what that looks like. I kind of want to keep this, I'm going to use this color called Mojave Heat, which is a nice like burgundy color, and we're going to pack that on right here. Okay, so as our eyeshadow's pretty much done, I just kind of threw these colors together, so let's see how that all comes out. I'm gonna put on some lashes today, but first for mascara, we're gonna do a little bit of mascara. This is using the Kosas mascara, which is really nice. Has a nice little thick wand applicator, so you can kind of see to the shape of the eye, which is nice. We're just gonna kind of fluff these out. Okay, so I'm gonna go actually do my bottom lashes with these, but for now, we are using a nice little pack of lashes from Amazon. I think I don't want something too dramatic, so I think I want to go with a nice little fan. Let's try the second pair. All right, you guys know how we do this, so here we go. Okay, here we go. It's probably one of my best liner applications. Okay, so this is the lash, which I think is really cute. And let's go ahead and apply. Okay, maybe that's too dramatic. Okay. Okay, it's still a lot, but I don't hate these. And I mean, people in Texas aren't wearing masks, but I do think this is a nice, I like it. We'll keep it, let's keep it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the next eye. Sorry, y'all. Grey's Anatomy playing in the background, so got caught up in the episode. Okay. Same thing with this one. Okay, okay. I like. Now for the inner eye, I'm actually gonna put a little bit of color in the inner eye. Let's go with this pretty color. This is called Plant Mom. Plant Mom and Under the Palms. I'm gonna mix those two. Okay, I think that looks really nice. So let's see, I'm gonna touch up a little bit of that. So I think I'm gonna do a matte nude look. Y'all already know what it is. Honestly, are we even surprised at this point? Let me grab my stuff. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put my lip colors off camera. I'll be honest, I'm filming a reel at the same time as filming this video, so like a lot of start and stop. But for the lip combo, I used the NYX Lingerie XXL. This is in the shade Deep Mesh. And then I topped it off with the True Matte by Nicka K New York Cosmetics. This is in Hide and Seek. So a light nude. I like this combination a lot. I'm just gonna add a little more. For some reason my lips have been like super peely, so I'm trying to make love that. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. All right, and then I will end this look with my setting spray. This is the NYX Matte Finish setting spray, which is really awesome. So awesome, guys. So I'm gonna do a lip teeth check. Last time I had lipstick on my teeth, so we're gonna avoid that. But I'm gonna wrap this Get Ready With Me here. I hope you guys like the makeup look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I think this came out really well. Also, how do you guys like the new settings? Like, I'm filming in cinematography mode on the iPhone 13 and it's chef's kiss. I really, really like it. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. And this was kind of random, but I actually like this color pairing a lot. So I'm gonna play a little more with some greens this fall. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe. Bye.